Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel Creation Unlimited with Sunita. In today's video, I am going to make a basket or a storage container. But before starting the video, do subscribe to my channel. By subscribing, you will get instant notification of my new videos. Okay, let's start the video. Here I am using two plastic containers of same size with two cardboard pieces of same size as the container for the base and down part of the basket. Covering the cardboard piece with a piece of cloth with glue gun. Cut the border of the container with cutter or scissor. Take some wooden skewers or stick and mark 7 inch and cut the size. It is the height of the basket. You can increase or decrease the height according to your choice. Leave 1.5 cm space and paste the bamboo stickers with glue gun. Paste woolen thread or jute thread to the container with the help of glue gun. I am using brown, blue and yellow color. You can make any color combination. Cut the thread and paste it with glue gun. Now I am going to add blue color thread. Start from a corner and insert the thread to the alternative sticker, taking the thread inside and coming back and forth. Now I am using yellow color thread. Start from a corner and move the thread anti-clockwise. Loop the thread in alternative stick. Paste cardboard piece to the basket with glue gun. Paste cardboard piece to the bottom part also. Paste any thick thread, jute rope or decorative lace to the bottom part. Cover the edges with yellow fabric in this way. Our basket is ready. Now for the lid part, I am using a plastic lid, covering it with a fabric in the same way which I did for the cardboard also. Take two wires, aluminium wire, and make a circle like this with the help of a circular object. Make two holes in this place with a hot aluminium wire and then insert this ring. Now attach the lid with the basket. Cut some flower shape from this Tetra pack of milk or juice cover. Color it with acrylic yellow color and paste some stone in the middle part. I made some and kept aside. Now I am going to paste this yellow flower in the middle. If you like my video, do subscribe to my channel and also hit the like button. Okay friends, our basket is ready for you. Decorate your home with this simple and easy DIYs. I hope you like my video. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. By your comments, I got a lot of motivation for further videos. Thank you all for watching and Happy New Year. May this year bring lot of happiness and joy in your lives. Thank you.